So today you learned from the parable of the sower about whenever he's planting the seeds and he plants them on rocky ground, they don't do so well with growing. But whenever we go ahead and plant seeds in good soil, the seeds will grow. So different parts of a plant, whenever a plant gets to grow, it has all these different parts that perform different functions. So we're going to go ahead and talk about different parts of the plant, and we're going to go ahead and include those parts in our salad. So Jolene, what's one part of the plant that we could include?
The first thing that comes to mind whenever I think of a salad is the leafy parts.
The leafy parts.
Which are one of the most important parts of the entire plant. They are the parts of the plant that get energy from sunlight.
And they go ahead and give food to the rest of the plant.
Yes.
So we've got some different kinds here, Jolene. We've got spring mix, which is nice and colorful. We've got iceberg lettuce, which is nice and crunchy. We've got spinach, which is nice and green. And we've got romaine lettuce, which is nice and hearty. What kind would you like to include in the salad?
Well, it's the main part of the salad, and I feel like we should put a little bit of everything in there.
A little bit of everything?
A little bit of everything. Not much though, because we gotta have room for other parts of our salad. And you guys at home can use whatever lettuce or spinach or whatever you guys want. Salad is completely whatever you want it to be.
So we said about plants have a lot of different parts. What's another part of the plant other than the leaf?
I'm thinking the roots.
The roots? What do the roots do, Jolene?
They hold the plants into the ground to give them a sturdy foundation, and they get water from the soil.
Cool. And something else that's really cool is that roots can be a really colorful part of the plant. One that you guys might know are carrots. Carrots are super bright and orange. Radishes are white and pink. And then beets are a deep purple. Would you like to include any of those in your salad?
You want some carrots in there?
I definitely want some carrots in there.
I agree. Are you a fan of radishes and beets?
I've never had beets before, but I'm really curious on trying those.
I'm down. Just a little though. Not much.
Just a little. Okay.
That's good. What?
Ah!
That's all good.
Alrighty. So we've got the roots,
And
which
then-
pull food from the ground. We've got the leaves, which go ahead and collect sunlight. What are some other parts of the plant?
the seeds.
The seeds. So the seeds are what allow plants to go ahead and get their start. And that's what the sower in the parable is planting. We've got some chia seeds, which are really good and healthy. We've also got some flax seeds, which are good for fiber. What would you like to include in the salad?
You want both?
We can put a little bit of both.
A
I'm
little
just
bit.
going to put a little shimmy.
Little shady.
There we go.
Seeds are super high in protein, which means they're really good for your heart.
And they'll add a little bit of texture to the salad. So where do the seeds come from on the plant? What part of the plant do the seeds come from?
I think they come from the fruits.
Yeah, they come from the fruits. And fruits, just like vegetables, can be a really good part in a salad. We've got strawberries, which you can actually see some of the seeds on in the strawberries. And we've also got
Apples.
apples. So what would you like to include in the salad?
Which would you like?
I'm thinking strawberries.
I'm thinking you're right. Does that look like enough to you?
That looks good.
Cool.
Okay. And then one last part is the part that connects it all together, and that is the stem. One plant that you can go ahead and eat the stem on is a broccoli plant. The little green tufts at the top are the leaves, but the stem part is edible too. Would you like to go ahead and include any of the broccoli? Or we've also got cauliflower, which
Would
has
you
stems.
like both?
I say a little bit of both.
Yeah. We can just pick those up and put them in. Can you grab cauliflower? See, that looks like a pretty good salad.
That'll look like a pretty good salad. The more colorful the salad is, the more tasty it will be.